Dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the floating column rings which is coming from above terrace floor. So this is very easy. So only two rings are there in one column of column size of 450 by 200 mm is there. So only 12 columns are there here. So all the 12 columns are having different dimensions and different dias. That's why each columns we have to calculate the rings. So first we will start from FC2. FC2 is the 450 by 200 mm column of 8 numbers of 12 dia and having one outer ring and one center ring. So before that we have to create the Excel sheet for this. So for that what we have to do is to go to the Excel sheet, and we have already calculated the ring above terrace floor columns. We have calculated the ring for above terrace floor columns, whichever is coming for the 900 by 200 and 750 by 200, all those columns we have already calculated. The same tab you can create one more. So the same tab I am going to create to the end. So create copy, and I have created one more copy, and we have to change that sub tab name. This is floating column rings. Okay, so in the headline also you can change it. This is the column ring reinforcement quantity above terrace floor, it is there, and here you can change it as column ring reinforcement quantity for floating columns above terrace floor. Okay, next here what you have to do, this we have to change from the C1. In these columns there is no hooks, so here you see here there is no hooks in this rings. This is the FC2, only outer ring is there and one center ring, and only this FC6 and FC7 is the square column, and here it is we are having one outer ring and one diamond ring. And I have the formula for this diamond ring. I have uploaded one short video also. I will explain you how to calculate this diamond ring. And in the last one column only is having 300 by 200. In this one outer ring is there and one hook is there. So accordingly we have to create the tabular column for it. So in this I am going to change what is there. This is the first column I am taking FC2. This is the FC2 first column. So this is FC2, and make it center this word. So FC2. Here one outer ring and center ring. There is no hook here. Either you can mention 0 or you can delete this hook. You can delete this hook. Here outer ring. The number of columns are 1, and this number of ring outer ring also 1 and center ring also 1. And the column size is 450 mm, and the width is 200 mm. And the column height has to be enter. Already you have this data for calculating the floating column main rods. This is the data which is we have noted earlier for calculating the column main bars. The same thing you can utilize over here. In this the column height is 3800, and this 135-degree bend is 2 numbers and 90-degree bend is 3 numbers, and the dia of ring is 8 mm. And the corner column rod dia, in this column this is the all are 12 mm dias over here. That's why this corner column rod dia is 12 mm, and this column center rod dia is also 12 mm, and clear cover is 40 mm, and ring spacing is 200 mm. This is the one side number of column rods. Here one side number of column rods are how much? Is a 4 number. You have to write this 4 number. And this is the both side hook and bend deduction formula, and this is the inside rod spacing. This is the X value. So here we have entered, this is the X value for this column, and this is the number of center rod spacing. Number of center rod spacing means in this center rod we have 2 rods. 2 rods means we have 1 spacing. That 1 spacing has to be entered. And this is the center ring size. Center ring size it will calculate from the center ring size, then cutting length and total length, everything. So further after this you no need to worry, all Excel will calculate all these calculations. So this is the advantage of Excel. Once you prepare this formula, then only just creating the sub tabs and and just copy paste the values. Once you completed this now, just copy paste this, just copy paste these two lines, control C, and just enter this serial number 2 below this, and here just instead of C11 you change it as FC3 and remove this hook. And here what you have to do, FC3 how much is there, we have FC3 one number and the same size is there, and the column height also same, and the dia of the rod is there, the FC2, and in FC3 the dia of the rods are 16 mm. So here you have to write this two are 16 mm, and rest everything will same. And similarly just copy this FC3 this thing, control C, and paste it over here and remove this hook, and this we can change it as FC4. What FC4 is having, so FC4 is having this is the deck slab column FC4, and FC4 also same 450 by 200. The height for this FC4 is, height as for the FC4 is 2450. This is 2450 and 2450, and this and all are same. What is the main rods over here, FC4 is all are 12 dia, this is 12 dia. And next again same copy paste this FC4, control C and paste it over here, and remove this hook and change this C18 into FC5. What FC5 is there, FC5 one number of rings are 1 same size. FC5 is also only for the decking slab, and FC5 is having 8 number of 16, and this dia rod will become 16, and finished. Then go to FC6, the same thing you have to copy paste, control C and paste it over here, and FC6, and you see FC6 and FC7 is the square column with diamond ring. Here what you have to do, instead of centering remove this hook, and this is the outer ring will be as it is same. The column size will become, this is 300 by 450, this is also 300, and this is also 300, and the column height, this is also going for the decking slab, this is also 2450, and here the number of 135 degree bend and another 90 degree bend dia, everything is same, and there is no center ring, no, that's why in this this center ring values will not come, only outer ring only we should calculate, and instead of center ring we have to insert this one line in between that center ring and change the center ring into diamond ring. So this is the diamond ring. I will show you the diamond ring formulas and all. So this is the diamond ring. So cover is 40 mm, ring dia is 8 mm, and we have to calculate this center. This is the outer ring and this is the diamond ring. So we have to calculate this A value and B value to the center of this diamond ring. So that A value and B value I have calculated here. This is the A. Capital A means this is the column size minus 2 times of cover minus 1 times of ring dia, and B value is also same, B minus 2 times of cover minus ring dia. This is the A value and B value which has to be calculated, and this is the, after calculating this A value and B value, we need to calculate this triangle hypotenuse side. This is the X value. To calculate this X value, we want this A and B value. This is the total A value and B value, and for this half of the triangle means it will become A by 2 and B by 2, and we have to make it, this is the square root formula, this A by 2 square plus B by 2 square, this is the Pythagoras theorem, and then cutting length is equal to 4 times of this X, this 4 times of this X plus 2 times of hook and minus bend deductions. This is the diamond ring formula. To learn this diamond ring formula, I have uploaded one short video. Just go to this ID card and check this ID card short video. In that you will learn all this diamond ring formulas. Okay, then we'll go to Excel sheet, and this is the Excel sheet for the diamond ring formula. These are the details as it is, and this 135 degree 90 degree bend dia, everything is same, and here we will calculate this corner column rod dia and center rod dia is there, no, here we will calculate this A value and B value. So this is not required for this. We will remove this and we will calculate this A value. To calculate the A value, then A is equal to this column size minus 2 times of this cover minus 1 times of this ring dia. Then this is equal to A value. Similarly, B is equal to again this column size minus 2 times of this cover minus 1 times of this ring dia. This is the B value. Then cover as it is 40 mm and spacing is 200 mm, and here number of one side column rod, this is not required, you can delete it. And we have to do it this A by 2 and B by 2, and we will calculate this center ring is there, no? So we have to make it this A by 2 for the triangle, we have to make it A by 2 and B by 2. This will become, make it as A by 2 and this will become B by 2. Then A by 2 is, this is equal to this A value divided by 2, and this is equal to this B value divided by 2. Okay, then we got A by 2 and B by 2. Then we have to calculate that center ring x value, that x, then we have to calculate this x value. Then x value is equal to A by 2 whole square plus B by 2 whole square. Then we have to put SQRT square root. This is equal to SQRT square root of open bracket and one more bracket for this A by 2 square. This is equal to A by 2 into A by 2 and close the bracket and plus, and again open one more bracket, and this is B into B square and close bracket and close one more bracket, and this is the x value. So x value came. Then after getting x value, we need to calculate the cutting length. Then cutting length is equal to this x value into 4 times plus this hook minus bend deduction. Then we got the cutting length. Then after that cutting length, this total number of ring, this total number of ring will calculate as per our number of rings and our column height divided by spacing plus 1. This is the number of ring formula, and I am making the round off value of this column ring. Then total length of bar and unit weight, it will calculate automatically. Here I forgot to enter this column name FC6 and FC7, and the number of columns are 2 over here. This is the 2 numbers. So then next FC8. So what FC8 also, so the same thing, 450 by 200. So this is from terrace floor to our elevation wall top, it is there, same 450 by 200 and 8 numbers of 12. So you can select this 8 number of 12s where it is, the same thing you can copy, Control C and go to FC8 and paste it over here, and remove this hook, and this column height is 5 meter. That's it. That is the only changes. It is 12 mm, 12 mm, everything is same. This is FC8 and make it center. And what FC9 is, then FC9 is starting from deck slab onwards. This is 16 dia, which is same. Copy this FC8 and paste it over here. Remove this hook and 450 by 450, and this height of this FC8, this is FC9, this is FC9. The height of FC9 is 2550, and the in this 16 dia rods are there. Okay, next FC9 over, next FC10. FC10 also same, 450 by 200, 420 and 416 is there, and here it is the FC10. The same thing you can copy and paste it over here, and remove this hook, and 450 by 200, and the FC10 height is 5 meter, and one outer is 20 dia, and inner is 16 dia. and FC10 over. Next FC11, same thing we can copy paste, Control C, paste, and remove this hook, and 450 by 200 FC11 also same 5 meter height, and everything is same, and the diaphragm for the FC11 4, 16 and 12, and this is 16 and this is 12. Next FC12, Control C, paste it over here, and remove this hook, and this is FC12. FC12 is how much number? FC12 is 6 numbers, and the diaphragms are FC12 is 6 number, and all the diaphragms are 16. And next FC13. FC13 is coming from LMR level 2 lift lobby slab top, and this is 2 number 450 by 200, 450, and the height of this is 1500, and that steel dots are 416 and 212, 416 and 412, and again one more is the last one, and this is FC13. Next the last one is FC14. Control C, insert it over here, and here there is no set. In FC14, you see, so there FC14 is there. This is the size is 300 by 200, and one outer ring is there, and only one hook is there. That's why I removed that center rings. So this is outer ring. The number of column is 2, and the size is 300, and this is also 300 by 200. The height of this column is 2625, and these are all same, and hook is same, and one outer ring is there and one hook is there. So this will complete the about terrace floor floating column steel quantity. Whatever the remaining is there, just select and delete it. Okay, I hope you people have liked this video. Kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed, and like and share with your friends and colleagues, and if you have any comments, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.